Hello everyone and welcome back to another quick Canva tutorial. And in today's video, I will show you how easy it is to blur a face on any image or photo using Canva. And it's really easy. Simply open the editor and upload the photo where you would like to blur a face. Then click on the image or photo and select the edit image option. Now you need to find a blur tool, not a blur effect. As they are quite different, the blur effect will blur the entire image, which is not what you want. However, to use the blur tool, you need to use the Alt Editor interface, which can be switched by clicking on the link here. Now, in the Alt Editor, scroll down until you find the blur tool. So, when you locate the blur tool, click on it, and you get three options: Auto, which blurs everything on the photo, and then blur and restore. To blur a face or any object in the photo, we need to use the blur option. To access the blur option, simply click on it. You will then see three sliders: intensity, which defines the effectiveness of the blur; spread, which controls how much the blur is spread out; and brush size, which allows you to adjust the size of the blur tool. To apply the blur effect, simply hover the mouse cursor over the image and a circle icon will appear. Say you want to blur the face of this man, so just simply hover over this face and apply the blur. However, if you don't like the intensity, you can simply do it again with higher intensity. It's up to you how much you want to blur the face. It's all about your preference. And this effect is not limited to faces. You can easily blur any element on an image, whether it is a text or any other object you desire. As you can see, using the blur tool in Canva is incredibly easy. You can now have the power to blur faces with just a few simple steps. What will you choose to blur next? The possibilities are endless. So, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to receive more tutorials like this.